Welcome to a 360-degree journey inside one of the world's most advanced chicken processing facilities. Look around. Automation, hygiene, and precision define every step. From the moment each bird arrives, robotic vision and gentle conveyors handle it with care.
Before entering, workers pass through a biosecurity zone. On your left, air showers sweeping away every stray particle. On your right, automatic sanitizer
fans keep the flock comfortable even as the doors open and condensation drifts out. Turn behind you, handlers check for health and stress levels. A calm grip, a stethoscope to the breast,
Automated conveyors ensure the birds are moved safely, minimizing physical handling.
Each bird steps onto the platform and the tunnel comes alive. A 360-degree sweep measures weight, heart rate, and posture. On the right, motion sensors and mic.
To your left, the controlled atmosphere chamber gently anesthetizes the birds, replacing fear with quiet sleep. The blend of nitrogen and cool air is carefully tuned, no struggling.
This step is fully automated for hygiene and efficiency. A gentle mist disinfects every surface, while ultraviolet light.
Warm water loosens the feathers. To your right, temperature monitors maintain precision at every second. Inside, paddles keep the flow steady, just enough movement to tease each plume free. It's quiet work.
Cutters, high-speed blades, guided by smart optics, millimeter precise. From salmon heads to lettuce roots to poultry feet, gone in one heartbeat. Robotic cutters, clean.
This is the central hall, where internal organs are removed and reviewed. Look on both sides of the line. Every worker inspects, searching for the slightest indicator of health or disease. Texture.
High-pressure jets scour the surface, sweeping away every particle. Inside, chilled streams trace illuminated channels, rinsing the body from within. In a matter of seconds, skin, lungs, and gut are left crystal clean.
To your left, the birds enter a spiral chiller. Cold water, seeded with crushed ice, swirls them through a helical bath. As the drum slowly turns, the carcasses move.
As each bird steps into the gate, AI-powered cameras sweep it with light, mapping every feather and contour. In seconds, the system calculates size, weight, and even surface smoothness.
Section separates wings, breast, legs, thighs completely automatically. Sensors guide each cut while water keeps the blades cool and clean. On your left, robotic arms read the weight.
These machines handle deboning more accurately than human hands. Every cut is precise, every pass consistent.
No fragments, perfect texture.
True millimeter-level bone and skin removal.
Spices, salt, and herbs rain down onto the fresh chicken. In go the bay leaves, the pepper, the turmeric, everything that builds flavor. Inside the vacuum tumbler, the drum rotates.
First, a veil of flour drapes each piece, then a dusting of herbs and spices. Into the golden batter, every surface covered. Finally, a shower of airy crumbs locks it all in, layer after layer.
To your right, the chicken travels through a hot oil tunnel, kept at a precise 176 Celsius. The breading sears just enough to lock in moisture and build that crisp shell. After 35 seconds, the
ballistic pieces enter a blast freezer chilled to minus 40 degrees Celsius. In a storm of frigid air, moisture on the surface crystallizes instantly, sealing in natural flavor and texture.
On both sides of the walkway, the lines run in perfect rhythm. Each pack is weighed to the gram, heat sealed in a blink, and stamped with its story in a single label. It's an orchestrated dance of machines.
Every pack passes through our inspection tunnel. First, the metal detector sweeps for the tiniest fragment. Then AI vision scans every edge, every seal, every gram. If anything is off,
your 360-degree VR journey ends here, where thousands of sealed cartons are ready for cold chain delivery. From live bird arrival to perfectly packed products,